I want you to pretend like Daryl is someone who's requesting for updates. What would they typically ask you? And then I want you to just give Daryl the update. And Daryl, for you, I just want you to tell Ambika afterwards, was it simple enough for you to understand?
Could you give us an update on the hiring?
Sorry, right on the spot today, so not prepared. Um, okay, so as far as I have spoken to the team early this morning, I have received some data from them, and we are looking to analyze on all the feedback that was received from you on the questions that would help you to make the decision. So I'm still working on the team to get the final output from the results that they are trying to run through. So yeah, I think by the end of the day, I should try to get back to you, Daryl, on that.
I want you to answer that question again, but in one sentence.
So I spoke to the team early this morning, Daryl, and they're working to get the data to you to make the decision. So I should get back to you by the end of the day.
Daryl,
Perfect.
which one sounded better?
The second one was so good. The second one was excellent.
Okay.
So,
Yeah.
Ambika, can you see the amount of ramp up that you have leading up to the main point? So, if there's one piece of advice I can give you, and by the way, I just kind of threw you in there with no prep, a lot of anxiety comes up. Be kind to yourself, that's okay. Take time, but start with the most important central thing first. If you had to summarize the entire thing in one sentence, say that. If there are details, then add to it. You and I, we both have the same challenge where we tell the entire backstory of what happened before we get into the point. Start with the point, so at least I know, okay, I asked you a question, Ambika has given me the response. These are all the other things on top of that. Your speaking fast is not coming from a habit, it's coming from your anxiety. Am I correct?
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
You're terrified right now, right?
Yeah. Yes.
So what I would allow you to do is feel the emotion come in and go. Pretend like you're talking to a friend. What you're doing now is you're in performance mode where, okay, Yasser put me in the spot, turn on Ambika, the public speaker. I have to perform for a minute. The moment the minute runs out, sigh of relief. I can relax for a little bit. And now I'm back into performance mode. So I want you to just bridge that gap. It's a conversation. I'm talking to a friend.
Okay.
So Ambika, repeat back to me. What are you going to do?
Give the point and then rest of the supporting points if required.
That's right. If you found this video valuable, I would highly recommend checking out my online speaking classes. We specialize in transforming the way you speak in record time. So if you are a senior leader, CEO, founder, or executive, and you want to speak like a CEO, click the link in the description and check out the CEO Speaking Bootcamp.